Realme P2 Pro 5G is confirmed to launch in India later this month. The Realme P1 Pro 5G successor is teased to come with a curved display. The Realme P2 Pro 5G will launch in India on September 13th. It's coming chameleon green and eagle gray color. A Flipkart microsite suggests that the phone will be available for purchase on the e-commerce site. The promotional image of the Realme P2 Pro 5G shows the handset in a green colorway with a golden frame. The centrally placed squircle rear camera module has a golden border surrounding it as well. The module holds 2 cameras and an LED flash unit. The smartphone will pack a 120Hz curved AMOLED display. The teaser also reveals that the Realme P2 Pro 5G will support 80W wired fast charging. The device is also expected to be powered by a Snapdragon chipset, although the exact processor and additional specifications are anticipated to be unveiled on later this week. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.